Hello, dear students. Welcome back to your own favorite YouTube channel, Writing Skills for All. Today, we shall learn how to write a paragraph on the question. Suppose you have met a visitor from another planet. Write a paragraph in about 60 words on your experience. Use the following hints: place and time of meeting the visitor, what he looked like, what he said, how he was different from you, your feelings. And today's topic is Class 6 English, Goodbye to the Moon, Activity 10A, Paragraph Writing, West Bengal Board of Secondary Education 2026. Before writing the answer, let's create a name for your alien friend and write it in the comments. Now, let's write the paragraph step by step. First, mention where and when you met the visitor. Next, describe the appearance. Then, write what he said. After that, explain how he was different from you. Finally, express your feelings about the meeting. Now, let's write the model answer. Heading or title: An encounter with a visitor. An encounter with a visitor from another planet. From another planet. One evening, one evening, while walking, while walking in a park, I met a visitor from another planet. From another planet. He was short, with green skin, large eyes, and a shining silver suit. He said, he said, he came He came in peace. Or you may write, he came as a friend to learn about earth. About earth. Unlike me, unlike me, he could fly and speak all languages. I felt surprised excited and happy to meet such an unusual friend. Dear students, remember that all the hints have been included in the paragraph. Therefore, it is a complete and well organized answer. I hope this explanation helps you understand how to write such imaginative paragraphs easily. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to your own favorite YouTube channel, Writing Skills for All. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.